and anyone, Ronnie?
Okay, thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you to Darshan first of all, because of you give me a recognition and appreciation certificate. You did this before launching your website without only for belief and confidence to me. So this is a big achievement. I share with my wife this letter, and she asked me to post in social media this appreciation. It's great appreciation. And thank you so much, Anthony. It's for you. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
But I will keep here.
Yes,
If I will meet with you in the future, then I will bring to you. Okay. And
I love it.
yeah, and
Appreciate it.
and Darshan, when you first approached me about this project, and I listened carefully as a developer, not as a business part or team member. I just try to understand what's client requirement and what he offered, and I try to my skill level to give this requirement, to reach this requirement. I just follow this instruction. But when you sharing your dream, not requirement, you sharing your dream. So I think it's a big opportunity to connect a long-term collaboration, a big scale business. So that's why I did not negotiate with you about budget, and whatever you share with me, the budget may be 500 Australian dollar. So I agree. I do not negotiate anything, because of I think this is a big challenge, and another thing is this is a opportunity. I just take this as an opportunity, and as a developer, I try to pay attention to every single requirements Darshan had, and whatever he wanted his project presented on this website, I shaped my work around. I researched that vision, because the goal was always to give him the best possible output. I try to do my best and research, and I learned a lot through this website, through this business. So the business works fine now. Sorry, the website works fine, but there is a lots of challenges till now and bugs. But we will face when it will be launched and door to customers to sell our products. Then we will face a lots of things. This will be second phase, and need to be take challenge from my end, from my Ravin, Darshan and other stuff. So in that case, this is the second phase, and I am totally ready to take this challenge and solve all the issues. I will be here every time, every single step, every single code, every single line I did. So yes, I have an emotion to this website. So I try to do my best until to reach our customer, our product quality. And thank you so much, and thank you Darshan for this great opportunity, and you picked me from Bangladesh. So this is feeling proud from Bangladesh. Thank you so much. To you, happy birthday dear Anthony, happy birthday to you.
Gentlemen, thank you very much.
I have a cake in my fridge, so I will cut and eating.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll imagine I'm eating it. No, I reckon it'll be beautiful. And thank you very much for the present. Really appreciate it and love it. Really, really good. And the thing I'm looking forward to is the day that we can all get together and sit down around a table and have a nice meal together and look back on where we started and where we've come to. Because when that happens, we will be in a really good place. But that's one thing I'm really looking forward to. Wherever it is, it might be Melbourne, and it might be in, well, who knows, but it'll be somewhere.